Hi everyone, let's start our market analysis for 11th September. Let's see what happened on Friday in our market. Market was bullish. There are many reasons for that. 2-3 days back, when we discussed market details, we said market is at resistance. 19,600, 700 levels are strong resistance. Yes, that time. And to break that levels and to go further, we need some positive news. So now we have positive news and we don't have any negative news so far. Even though the global cues are not in favor, but India has positive news. The decisions are being taken at G20 meeting, and RBI's policy on Friday made the market very positive. RBI decided to discontinue incremental CRR, which was implemented recently. So this is very positive for the banks. So they're going to remove 25% by 9th September, 25% by 23rd September, and remaining 50% by 7th October. This made the bank nifty very positive and it went above 45,300. I think bank nifty touched 45,388. So it is a very positive news. And the sectors are all positive, including energy, realty, IT, railway. Railway stocks see the new decision or their plan now to connect India, GCC, and Europe. It is very positive news to support railway stocks again. Railway stocks are already on top, but this news will support the stocks again. Ircon, RVNL are all at still people can invest on it, but see the levels when there is a dip, invest on those stocks for long term. And Nifty has become above, the levels are now above 50-day moving average. So that is also positive for long. Now there are some data, some news that we have to keep an eye on. For this week, our US will declare their new policy on their rate increase or rate cut policy on 20th September. And US CPI data is coming on Wednesday. PPI data production on Thursday. British unemployment data is on Tuesday, and Chinese industrial production data is coming, which will also affect the world markets. India's retail inflation data is on Tuesday. Now there is a good news for Reliance because they are going to enter semiconductor business, so it is positive for Reliance, and this Reliance performance will support Nifty again. And L&T's deal, with Saudi Aramco, 25,000 crore last week, also made the market positive. If you look at FIS data and DIS, FIS are still selling. So what is the reason why they are continuously booking profit? They net sold 224.22 crore, but DIS they bought for 1,150.15 crore. And India VIX down. India VIX now 10.78. So far, I think more than 8,000 or close to 9,000 crores FIs sold. It's a concern because with all the positive news, why they are selling and what they are expecting. Let's wait and see. This week if they are going to come back and buy, then market will. If FI start buying, then we'll go back to 20,000 levels. Long build-up seen on IEX, PFC, IRCTC, ONGC, REC, NTPC, and Power Grid. So all the public sector PSU companies are uh, building long positions. If you look at short position, Lal Path Lab, Chambal Fertilizers, ITC, Glenmark, RBL Bank, Asia Motors, IDFC First Bank, IDFC I think because of the merger, Apollo Tyres, and Wipro. Short covering is on DLF, Punjab National Bank, BHEL, UBL Bank, HDFC AMC, BEL, Coal India, Cummins India, and GMR Infra. If you look at some news, Adani, I think, increasing their share in Adani Enterprises, and Wakrangi has signed a term, with the private equity investor Aviskar Capital to acquire a 48.5% stake in Vertex Engineering. Vertex Engineering is a leading producer of ATMs, and they have business across India, Africa, and South Asia. FNO ban, Chambal Fertilizers in FNO ban for today. Balrampur Chini, Delta Corp, Hindustan Copper, India Bulls Housing Finance, India Cements, Manappuram Finance, PNB, and SAIL are already in the list. BHEL has been removed from FNO ban list. If you look at the US market is slightly positive ahead of their policy and CPI data. Dow Jones 75.86 point plus 0.22% up. Nasdaq 12.69% up 0.09%, and S&P 6.35%, which is 0.14%. VIX down in US 13.84, it is minus 3.89. If you look at some stock, in Indian market, Rain Industries building a position, so intraday or short, but keep an eye on it. It has already more than 5-6% increased on Thursday and Friday, but it was at higher level. So if position is building, just watch on Rain Industry, but that is not for long term or even for short term. It is like intraday or to keep 1 or 2 days maximum. Indian ideas are positive in US. Gift Nifty is indicating a gap up opening of 50 points. So if we open 50, then we are 19,930 or 40, and will sustain. But current scenario market is bullish, so there is chance that everybody expect market to break 19,000. To go to 20,000 levels. But as retail investors, expect a down move anytime market is at its high. So while trading, take care. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Wishing you all success.